Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make noodles with chicken stock. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of good quality chicken stock, your favorite noodles, like egg noodles or ramen, and any seasonings you enjoy, such as salt, pepper, or a pinch of garlic powder. Make sure your pot is large enough to hold the stock and noodles comfortably for even cooking. Next, pour your 4 cups of chicken stock into a medium-sized pot and bring it to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, add your noodles. Follow the package instructions for cooking time, which is usually between 3 and 7 minutes. Remember to stir the noodles occasionally to prevent them from clumping or sticking to the bottom of the pot. Once your noodles are cooked to your liking, it's time to season them. Add salt, black pepper, and any other herbs or spices you prefer, like a dash of soy sauce or a sprinkle of fresh parsley. For a more substantial meal, you can stir in some pre-cooked chicken or your favorite vegetables. Serve your delicious, hot noodles immediately in a warm bowl. Here are a few final tips for perfect noodles. Always aim for an al dente texture. Overcooked noodles can become mushy. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. They reheat wonderfully. And speaking of fresh, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals. Enjoy your easy and delicious chicken stock noodles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.